So, hey guys, there's these two YouTubers I've been watching. Shark TV, he's just now a new YouTuber. Like, his videos are good, I like them. Yeah, I watch him. He's gonna do a collab, and hoping he'll text me back or, like, reply to me, because I want to do a collab with him. And, yeah, see how that would go. There's also this one other streamer, well, YouTuber, goast way11. Shout out to both of them because, like, they're really good YouTubers and they're just like me, low YouTubers. I mean, Sharkway, he's a very, very, very good YouTuber. Like, with almost 30 subs. He just started 2 days ago, so 4 subs is a lot for that. Big shout out to him too, though. So, I want you guys to go subscribe to them and leave a like and subscribe to me. I hope you guys like the video and subscribe. See you later, guys.